Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business corporate poster using RGB in Photoshop. Corporate posters rely on precision. RGB tuning helps control brightness and contrast. Visual hierarchy becomes clear. Business messaging feels confident. Colors guide attention smoothly. The layout stays professional. RGB accuracy ensures consistency in digital displays. The poster now feels authoritative and impactful. It supports brand identity without distraction. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.